This video is for very basic English learners who know English but cannot speak it or feel shy to speak English. Please do not feel shy and repeat after me. Talking about daily routine with simple verbs. Morning routine. Morning routine. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I stretch my body. I stretch my body. I yawn. I yawn. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I dry my body. I dry my body. I comb my hair. B is silent. I comb my hair. I get dressed. I get dressed. I wear a shirt and pants. I wear a shirt and pants. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I drink tea. I drink tea. I eat bread with butter. I eat bread with butter. I eat eggs and toast. I eat eggs and toast. I check the time. I check the time. It is 7 o'clock. It is 7 o'clock. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I leave the house. I leave the house. I go to work. I go to work. I go to school. I go to school. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. The bus arrives. The bus arrives. I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I sit down. I sit down. I listen to music. I listen to music. I look out the window. I look out the window. The bus stops. The bus stops. I get off the bus. I get off the bus. I walk to the building. I walk to the building. I enter the office. I enter the office. I say hello to my coworkers. I say hello to my coworkers. I start my day. I start my day. Morning at work or school. Morning at work or school. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. I sit at my desk. I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer. I turn on my computer. I check my email. I check my email. I read new messages. I read new messages. I reply to emails. I reply to emails. I write a report. I write a report. I join a meeting. I join a meeting. I listen to my manager. I listen to my manager. I take notes. I take notes. I ask questions. I ask questions. I talk to my team. I talk to my team. I work on my tasks. I work on my tasks. I make a phone call. I make a phone call. I drink water. I drink water. I take a short break. I take a short break. I stand up. I stand up. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I look out the window. I look out the window. It is 10 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock. I go back to work. I go back to work. I focus on my job. I focus on my job. I finish my work. I finish my work. I feel good. I feel good. Lunchtime. Lunchtime. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. It is 12 o'clock. It is 12 o'clock. It is lunchtime. It is lunchtime. I feel hungry. I feel hungry. I go to the cafeteria. I go to the cafeteria. I buy some food. I buy some food. I eat lunch. I eat lunch. I eat rice and vegetables. I eat rice and vegetables. I drink juice. I drink juice. I talk with my coworkers. I talk with my coworkers. We laugh. We laugh. We share stories. We share stories. I feel relaxed. I feel relaxed. Lunch is over. Lunch is over. I go back to my desk. I go back to my desk. I check my schedule. I check my schedule. It is 1 o'clock. It is 1 o'clock. Time to work again. Time to work again. Afternoon routine. Afternoon routine. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. I continue working. I continue working. I type on my keyboard. I type on my keyboard. I read documents. I read documents. I print papers. I print papers. I scan files. I scan files. I organize folders. I organize folders. Well done. You finished today's shadow practice. Go through this video again. Train your speech. Train your ears. Train your mind. See you tomorrow. Bye.